For this recipe, I recommend using chicken thighs because they're much juicier than chicken breasts. So what you want to do is salt them on both sides and then store them in the fridge for half an hour. Now we're preparing the batter. For the batter you will need 1 cup or 128 grams of all-purpose flour. Now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and finally 1 teaspoon of pepper. Now we're going to mix it. For the second step of the batter, you will need 1 egg and half a cup or around 230 milliliters of milk. Whisk it until fully combined. Now you add the chicken thigh into the egg and milk mixture. And then into the flour mixture. Make sure to have it fully covered in the flour. It's time to fry the chicken. Preheat the oil to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius degrees and let it fry for around 5 to 6 minutes or until golden brown. For the sauce, we're preparing a homemade tartare sauce. For that, add 1.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of diced pickles, 1 teaspoon of dill, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and finally 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Now we mix the sauce. This sauce will go fantastically with the chicken. Now we're preparing the bread. For that, we're roasting some small ciabatta breads in butter until it reaches a nice color. Now, we spread our delicious tartare sauce. Add some salad. And finally the chicken. Add some more sauce. And close it up. And there you go, a crunchy, delicious chicken sandwich. Doesn't it look beautiful?